Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls of all ages. Welcome once again to my channel where we're doing an update on the trains running tonight. Oh my goodness, we got 3 going and they're running really well. So I'm real tickled with this. Once again, we have the F3s running. And here comes Mhels engine for purple American Flyer GP7 Atlantic Coastline. Of course, it's her favorite. And here we go over here, coming with the American Flyer SD70 ACE. Oh, I love it when all 3 trains pass each other like this. It's great. So, my friend Dale, he'll be excited. He can come over now and run some trains on my layout. After all, I've been going over to his house for a year and running trains. I'll tell you, I just love the scale speeds of these newer trains. They are absolutely wonderful. Added the Triple Crown tonight, along with the trailer service there, B&O. Large state of Maine boxcar, 50-footer. So this is just, it's just a lot of fun, folks. Can't wait to get some kids over here to see the trains running, get some videos of them. But I still got more to go. Tonight I'm going to work on getting the amusement park rides all hooked up. And I got to get that top track cleaned off in the front and middle, so it should be pretty fun tonight getting this all going. I love the ditch lights on this engine. Look at that, blow the horn and the ditch lights take off. I just love it, absolutely love it. You can see the smoke coming out of the SD70. Really cool, really cool. Got the automobile rack. Need to get a couple more of those. Those are just awesome. I wouldn't mind having a couple more of these Triple Crowns either. Those are pretty cool. Really having fun tonight with these trains. Like I said, I get a kick out of it. It's the kid inside of me. Alright, so this has been pretty good lengthy. And we've got horns all over the place. Let's see here. Oh yeah. If I push the right button, I'll get the horn to blow on the passenger train when it comes around here. Let's see if we get a close shot down here. There you go. That's going to be a slight interruption coming. Absolutely loving the realism of these trains. I had a question the other day about what scale these were, and of course these are 1/64th scale trains. A lot of people know the American Flyer name, but don't recognize the other names of the trains that we have. American Models, Pacific Rail Shops, we have from Des Plaines Hobbies, we have the S-Scale America, we have MTHS Scale, S Helper Service, which was bought by MTH to continue the quality trains that they put out. Just a whole lot of neat stuff. There's a special black label car that Doug Peck, who's big into the parts part of the American Flyer trains, keeps them alive. This S-Gate is a lot of thanks to Doug and Don Thompson and Ron Bashista and all these guys who keep our trains running. and keep putting out new trains for us. Without them, it'd be a world of hurt, I'll tell you that right now. All right, so we've been running 5 minutes and I didn't realize it, so I'm going to go ahead and say thank you for watching. I hope you go to my YouTube channel, watch my videos, like them, share them if you wouldn't mind. That will help my channel grow, and we can keep doing more things as we go along. And pretty soon I'll be using a real video camera instead of my phone, so we'll get a lot better pictures here. Real quick before I go, let's take a little aerial view and see what it's like. Very cool. Next, I'm going to work on getting the roadway hooked up so we can run some cars with the trains too. All right, folks. Well, thank you so much for watching. And again, don't forget to watch my channel, share, like, hit the bell so you get notifications when I do the updates. All right. Have a great night, everyone. Thank you for watching. And we'll see you next time. Sorry about the finger.